Bricks for Kids Lego Building Camp. Bricks for Kids Lego Building Camps are for kids 5 to 13. Our camps combine technical, STEM-focused learning with hands-on building fun. Using Technic Lego pieces such as gears, axles, and electric motors, kids work together to apply STEM concepts and embrace their creativity. Kids also build on their cognitive abilities in skills such as reading, writing, research, and problem-solving. Designed to make memories, our Lego-based summer camp lends itself to your child's social growth, critical thinking, collaboration, and more. From themes like robotics, space, and amusement parks to Minecraft, Star Wars, and Pokemon, our camps make the fun even more interactive and engaging. The kids just need to bring their thinking caps and imaginations. Bricks for Kids provides the rest. Our experienced, fully screened staff will keep the kids engaged and inspired with new ideas and building techniques to take home. Each Bricks for Kids is independently owned and operated. Programs and services may vary by location. Check your local listing for programs offered close to you.